Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today we will be learning about comments and try and accept statements. So let's go over comments first. Oh, and by the way, this includes a variable. I want to show you something. It could be used for a comment or something. So for example, let's take this 3 single quotient marks, or you could actually add three double quotient marks, and then you could write anything in them without them making some sort of error. And if you also use a comment, then you could actually not just block this line of code. For example, if you want to check your code without some sort of line or anything, you don't have to remove the line. You can just comment it out. Or if you want you could actually just like string it out, and it will not make an error. Just like this. Oops. Just like that. Actually, you know what? There we go. Oh my god, what the? And then if I try to print anything like hello world, this actually does not do anything at all. All it does is just, if you want to make some sort of notes, or you want to block some sort of command or code. But if you want to be super Python or official, then you should just comment it out. If you want to take something out and you want to comment it all, like disable that command, then you can do this. Now let me show you something. You could actually do this, and then you could type in the variable name, and then it will show up just fine in the console. And now let's go for try and accept. So for example, number, let's make it a float. It's okay. Equal float. Then brackets here, and enter a float number, and then print number. So if I run this code, it will tell me enter a float number. I can do that, and it will print out the number. But what if I run it again, but I don't put a number, like for example F? Then it will make an error. Then it will make an error saying that it could not convert string to float. And let's try to fix that using the try and accept statements. So I want to and then these two. I want to indent these two because I'm going to use the try statement on it with a colon. And now let's use except print that is a letter. Sorry, print these are letters. Done. So let me try to run them and then type some letters, and then it will print out these are letters. So let's do another example. So let's try a value equal 10 divided 0. So you know you can't divide 10 by 0 or any number divided by 0. So let's put that in value, and then remove this value, print value. So you'll probably know this is in the try, so it's going to put out the same error. So I can actually use except to block out specific errors. So for example, zero division error, zero division error. Now you cannot divide any number by 0. No, you can't divide any number by 0. So what if I make this, have this 1, then it will just print out the value, as you can see in the console right now. So what if I wanted this to happen with some sort of calculator? So let me just make a calculator right now. So I made a whole calculator to just try this guys. Now I'm going to run it for, actually you know what, like go for 50 divided 0, and it goes 0 0. What? Okay, so different concept here. What if I try this, except oh yeah, value input. Oops, I'm dumb. It's value error. Value error. Then print only numbers allowed. Now let's run it, and then 5.4, it will easily print that out. So what if I run it but type letters? Then it will say only numbers allowed. But let's go for as well value equal 10 divided by 0. Then you cannot divide any number by 0. Also, another tip, you could actually you do this, except 0 division error as ERR, maybe error or ERR, whatever. you want to define it. So let's go and run this error, and then it will print out division by 0. Last thing I want to tell you guys is that you should practice this by using specific errors, not just accepting anything. Otherwise it's going to accept any error into one specific string. So you need to practice and try and accept with these errors. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I hopefully I can see you guys in the next video, and goodbye.